Hey friends! So I get comments on my teeth, how white they are all the time. And I look at them like, oh, they don't seem all that white, but I get so many compliments. So right now, this is the toothpaste that I'm using. And I just use a regular toothpaste. I don't do anything, extra typically. So this is the Colgate Baking Soda Peroxide Whitening. But I will say I switch up my toothpaste quite often. So I don't always use this one. So once I run out of, I usually get the 3-pack of these. Once I run out of this, I may do the Crest Whitening. So one of the ones that I've used recently, maybe a time or two before this one, is the Brilliance. The Crest Brilliance. This is the step 2 and there's a step 1, obviously. And so this one has been pretty good as well. But other than that, that's what I use. So I do drink tea almost every day as well. So whitening toothpaste has worked great for me.